Okay, a current I of t equals to 5 cosine of omega t plus 2 cosine of 2 omega t flows through a 3 ohm resistor. Okay, the average power absorbed by the 3 ohm resistor is most nearly, well, the first thing that you need to know here, because we are trying to find out the average power here, okay, and these magnitudes, these represents the peak voltage, we have to find a way to convert those peak voltage into RMS. And what we simply do here is basically, if we divide the peak voltage by under root 2, we convert that into an RMS, right? And we know from Ohm's law that P equals to I square R. We can use this equation to find out the average power. So let's plug in the values here. P, remember P equals to I square R, correct? And then let's find out, we have 5 here, so this is I peak divided by under root 2. This is now converted into VRMS, or in fact IRMS, correct? I square times R, resistance is 3 ohms, correct? Now we're gonna take this part of the current, right? So this is 2, again this is peak current divided by under root 2, makes it converted into RMS, I square times R. So we have 3 here because resistance is 3. So this will become 25 over 2, under root 2, the under root 2 and the 2 will cancel out. You have 3 here, and similarly you got 4.3 over 2 here. And if you do the math here, 25 times 3 is 75. 75 plus 4 times 3 is 12. Denominator we have 2, so that makes 87 over 2, which is actually equals to 43.5 watt. Okay, and roughly, approximately, if you write it out, round it off, it's 44 watt. And that's it. That's your average power absorbed by the 3 ohm resistor.